The Oreo cookie production process begins with the intake of carefully selected raw materials in a strictly controlled industrial environment. Wheat flour is transported in sealed packaging to maintain hygiene, traceability, and ingredient integrity.
Each batch of flour is inspected for texture, moisture level, and purity before entering the production line. Black cocoa powder provides Oreo cookies with their iconic dark color and distinctive cocoa flavor. Sugar and minor ingredients are prepared and measured with high precision to ensure consistent taste, textures. After inspection, all raw materials are staged in a controlled area, ready for precise weighing. Wheat flour is weighed first using an automated system to ensure accuracy and batch consistency. Black cocoa powder is weighed with high precision, as it directly determines the cookie's color and flavor profile. Sugar and minor ingredients are weighed separately to maintain precise balance in sweetness, structure, and baking performance. Once weighed, ingredients are transferred in sequence to the mixing area, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted production.
The mixing process begins with the controlled loading of weighed, dry ingredients into the industrial mixer.
Black cocoa powder is added carefully to ensure even distribution and accurate color development.
Sugar is added next to balance sweetness and support proper dough structure.
Minor ingredients are added with strict control, as small variations can significantly affect baking performance. Dry premixing begins at low speed to evenly distribute ingredients without overworking the mixture. Dry ingredients gradually integrate, forming a uniform base for the dough. Uniformity of the dry mix is verified before proceeding to the next stage. Vegetable fat is prepared at the correct temperature to ensure proper blending with dry ingredients. Vegetable fat is added gradually to bind dry ingredients and improve dough structure.
As mixing continues, the ingredients start forming a cohesive base, marking the beginning of dough development.
Liquid ingredients are prepared in controlled tanks to support proper dough hydration and flavor balance.
Liquid dosing systems are calibrated to deliver precise volumes into the mixer.
Liquids are added gradually to control hydration and prevent uneven dough formation.
The dough enters the hydration phase, where liquids bind dry ingredients into a cohesive mass. As hydration progresses, the dough develops cohesion and elasticity.
Final mixing adjustments ensure complete ingredient integration without overworking the dough.
The finished dough is checked to confirm uniform color, texture, and consistency. Once mixing is complete, the dough is discharged for downstream processing. The dough is transferred in a sealed system to maintain hygiene and consistency. The dough is now ready to enter the sheeting process, where it will be shaped into uniform sheets.
The finished dough is fed into the sheeting machine in a controlled and continuous flow.
The dough is initially sheeted into a thick, uniform layer to prepare for thickness reduction. Sheet thickness is reduced step by step to achieve precise dimensional control.
Surface smoothing ensures a flat, even dough sheet before cutting. Automated sensors verify that the dough sheet meets precise thickness requirements. The dough sheet is aligned precisely to ensure accurate cutting downstream. The dough sheet is inspected to confirm uniform color and surface quality before cutting. The dough sheet moves seamlessly toward the cutting station without interruption. Cutting tools are positioned precisely to ensure uniform cookie shape. The production line is now fully prepared for precise cookie cutting.
The cutting process begins, shaping the dough into uniform cookie rounds.
Each cookie is stamped with a precise surface pattern to ensure consistent appearance and brand identity. Excess dough is removed to separate individual cookie pieces without disturbing their shape. Excess dough is collected and recycled in a controlled loop to minimize waste.
Automated inspection ensures that each cookie meets strict shape and size specifications. The cut cookies are transferred seamlessly onto the baking conveyor.
Cookies are aligned to ensure even heat exposure during baking. The cookies enter the baking oven, where controlled heat transforms the dough into crisp cookie shells. Baking begins under precisely controlled temperature and time conditions. During baking, the cookies maintain shape, structure, and consistent color.
In the final baking phase, moisture is reduced and the cookie structure fully sets.
After baking, cookies exit the oven at precisely controlled temperatures. Automated inspection verifies that each cookie meets baking standards before cooling. Baked cookies are transferred seamlessly to the cooling conveyor to stabilize their structure. Cooling begins immediately to prevent condensation and preserve crispness. Uniform spacing ensures even cooling across all cookies. Cookies cool to ambient temperature, preparing them for filling and assembly.
Quality checks confirm that cooling has not affected cookie appearance or structure. Once cooled, cookies are transferred to the filling area for cream application.
The cookies are now fully prepared for precise cream filling and sandwich assembly.
Cream filling ingredients are prepared under controlled conditions to ensure purity and consistency.
Cream mixing begins at low speed to prevent air entrapment and uneven texture. As mixing continues, the cream develops a smooth, stable, and uniform texture. Cream color is verified to ensure a clean white appearance with no off-color tones. Finished cream is transferred in a sealed system to maintain hygiene and texture. Cream dosing is calibrated to ensure precise volume, perfect centering, and clean definition on each Oreo cookie.
Cream dosing is calibrated to achieve absolute centering, ensuring the filling is positioned precisely at the geometric center of each Oreo cookie.
Using vision-guided control, cream is applied precisely at the center of each moving Oreo cookie, maintaining
Top cookie shells are fed in a controlled flow, synchronized with the cream-topped bottom shells.
top and bottom cookies are aligned along the same central axis to ensure precise sandwich assembly. The top cookie is placed carefully to form a clean, centered Oreo sandwich. Uniform pressure is applied to distribute the cream evenly while maintaining clean edges. After pressing, the sandwich maintains structural stability and clean definition. Automated sensors verify sandwich height to ensure consistent cream volume. Edge inspection ensures that cream remains fully enclosed within the cookie shells. Completed Oreo sandwiches move forward for final quality inspection. The sandwich assembly process is complete, producing uniformly aligned Oreo cookies ready for final inspection.
Assembled Oreo cookies enter the quality control stage for final inspection.
Vision systems inspect color, alignment, and edge cleanliness in real time.
Each Oreo cookie is measured for height and weight to ensure precise cream volume and consistent structure.
Advanced vision systems detect any visual defects while confirming correct color and cream enclosure.
Non-compliant cookies are automatically removed without affecting approved products. Approved cookies continue forward toward packaging. After quality approval, Cookies are transferred to the packaging area.
Random manual inspections confirm that Oreo cookies meet color, structure, and assembly standards.
Approved Oreo cookies enter the primary packaging line in a clean and controlled flow.
Cookies are carefully loaded into trays to prevent movement or damage during packaging.
Filled trays are aligned in a straight, forward-moving flow to ensure stable and consistent packaging.
Heat sealing forms airtight packages while maintaining uninterrupted forward movement.
Heat sealing forms airtight packages while maintaining uninterrupted forward movement. Inline inspection confirms seal integrity without interrupting product flow.
Primary packaging is complete, with Oreo cookies maintaining consistent quality and color as they move toward cartoning.
Approved packages move directly to the cartoning area in a continuous forward flow. Final appearance inspection ensures each package meets visual quality standards.
Sealed Oreo packages enter the cartoning line in a continuous forward flow. Flat cartons are formed automatically to prepare for product loading. Primary packages are inserted into cartons with controlled motion to prevent shifting.
Cartons are closed automatically to secure the packaged Oreo products. Automated systems verify correct fill count in every carton. Cartons are sealed to ensure secure containment during transport. Carton-level coating ensures full traceability throughout distribution.
Final inspection confirms each carton meets quality and labeling standards.
Approved cartons are transferred smoothly to the palletizing line. The cartoning process is complete, preparing Oreo cookies for palletizing and distribution.
Sealed Oreo cookie bags enter the secondary packaging stage in a continuous forward flow.
Shipping cartons are automatically formed to receive bagged Oreo products. Bag orientation is controlled to ensure accurate insertion into cartons. Automated systems verify the correct number of bagged products in each carton. Sealed Oreo bags are inserted into cartons with controlled motion to protect product integrity. Cartons are closed securely to contain the bagged Oreo products. Cartons are sealed to ensure secure transport of bagged Oreo products. Cartons are labeled for identification and traceability. Final inspection ensures cartons meet packaging standards before palletizing.
Secondary packaging is complete, with bagged Oreo cookies securely packed in cartons and ready for palletizing.
Packed Oreo products enter the warehouse for temporary storage before distribution.
Orders are prepared by selecting pallets according to distribution requirements.
Pallets are stored under controlled conditions to preserve product quality.
Pallets are loaded onto trucks for transportation to retail locations. Oreo products leave the factory and begin their journey to stores.
Oreo products are delivered to retail stores for consumer purchase.
Consumers select Oreo cookies with confidence in their quality.
Inside every pack, Oreo cookies retain their iconic color and structure.
From factory to consumer, every Oreo cookie delivers the same iconic experience.